Hey, it's RGR, and we are back here for you to get an idea of what we're getting into next on the Flaviar Advent Calendar. Welcome to RGR Craft. Make sure you like and sub. We're getting into the third vial of the Advent Calendar tonight. Kind of a late night, getting ready for a big football game coming up this next weekend, and I wanted to get into it now. This is a U.S. bottle on day number 3 that we're going to taste together tonight. It's got a nice nose, some sweetness. I'm guessing some corn in there, along with a bit of caramel and probably some toffee. It smells like on the nose. Save a little bit off. Lost a drop or two. And I'm pretty excited about this one because I know the quality of the bottles in this year have gone up pretty dramatically. And I am still going to give it a little bit of a swirl. I'm not going to go over here because the color is pretty dark, and I think generally that's going to open up a little bit in a way that I like. I'm going to move the camera over here just a little bit. Give you guys a nice look at what this particular dram looks like. Pretty excited about it. And we'll give that a taste. Sweet is definitely at the head of the table, but a deep, burnt caramel kind of taste, getting into that almost hard, brittle toffee, almost like the kind you get this time of year in the Christmas season. It definitely has that untamed sweetness at the top of the palate, and it actually finishes rather long, kind of sitting on my tongue for a bit, leaving you with a pleasant dessert almost. Let's see what this is and see if what I'm missing here. This is Uncle Nearest. This is their 1856 bottle, bottled at 50%. I should have grabbed that from the label. It does definitely bring in about a tawny orange. It definitely has a deeper hue than just the burnish that we saw a couple days ago. Caramel. I got a little bit of apple. That's in the residual sweetness there. The char certainly came through. I didn't get hay in their explanation here. The hay portion did not ring through for me, but that's okay. I think what we're going to do is just enjoy this and understand that everybody's palate's going to be a little bit different. I had a kind of a heavier meal tonight, so we'll see if that's really what it comes down to. On second taste, and again, this is with no water, I get a little bit more of the almost cooked apple underneath it, and a cooked red, not the brightness of a green apple, but a nice mellow that fits in. This is actually a nice post-dinner drink that I think goes pretty well with what we're trying to do here. This is number 3, the Advent Calendar from Flaviar. You can get it at the link below. Make sure you like and sub and hit that bell so you get all the updates here on RGR Craft. We're going all the way through this Advent Calendar as much as I can possibly finish in time for Christmas. So you guys can check it out, and they have a great deal running now. If you're ordering it after December 1st, it's a great discount. So check that out. I'll be back later. Make sure you are enjoying this. Leave your comments below. Do you want to see more of this style? Do you want to see it up close? What else would you like to know from the tastings? I appreciate your time. Have a great one. And this is a dram that you want to take a good long look at. It is Uncle Nearest 1856.